As you've seen on that picture, I'm gonna be doing sunburst mirror. So you're gonna need a round mirror like this. I don't remember the inches. And then some glue, some barbecue sticks. I went to buy silver spray. I didn't find. Last time I bought the wrong one. I didn't find, so this is what I got. We're gonna try how it works today. I think you're gonna need gloves and a sponge. Probably some bling. So I want this video to be super short, so let's get to the video. I'll start by spraying, not spraying, but smear this on, or I will apply, like painting my sticks with the silver spray, and I will use my tiny brush here, sponge. I have a holder here. This is supposed to be for the nails. So I'll start. I'm doing like this. It's like polish. So I will smear this, all of my sticks, and then I will cut half of them up to here. And then I will be right back. Did you guys see? Here they are. I've cut into hot here. It's very hot, very hot. So next I'm gonna take my mirror. Never mind my balcony, it's full of stuff. So here is my mirror. It's upside down. So here I have the glue. I'll start with the smaller sticks. They are already dry, they dry super fast. Then I'm gonna place there. So I've put the smaller ones. I'll go with the bigger ones now. I'll put in between. So I've done that. Now I'll put the medium ones in between. Coming through. I think this is the easiest DIY I've done so far. I'm gonna fill in more with the larger ones. I mean taller ones or long ones. So I'll fill all around and then I'll be back. So here's our mirror, and I made this round box, roughly round, not exactly round, to secure this place. So now it's ready. So the back side is ready, and I'm gonna use this as hooks. It goes like this. So this will go on the wall and this on the mirror. So I will attach on the wall and then this on the mirror like this. It has glue, so it will be like this. So that's it for this side. I love Maria. I didn't get a chance to bite. They're dusty. So I will turn it. So this is how it looks upside down. And you see this glue here. I was wondering, should I put these blings? Let me bring it closer.
So here we are. I was wondering if I should put this blend thing like this here. Or should I put this?
I don't know.
Maybe I should put this. So,
If you look at this strip, this bling, it has black, and I don't want, because this is silver and the mirror is like silverish, I don't want to have crystal. Yeah. If I use this, I don't know if it will stick or I will have trouble. Let's try. Here it is, all ready. So I'll leave it here to dry for as long as it can dry, and then I will show you guys the final look. Product, as you can see, it's all beautiful. So I will turn it around. So I've turned it around. Remember this, what I told you guys? So I'll
peel this. Then I'll stick it
here. Then this will go onto the wall. So there is the final product. Isn't it lovely? I see here there is some gaps. Yeah, but it's not a big deal. I think it's beautiful and I love it, and it's even. Wow, I'm so proud of myself now. And it's big. See, it's super big. Wow. Unbelievable. Let's come closer. See the bling? So next time you guys have a barbecue party, don't throw away those barbecue sticks, because they come in handy. And you see, only this, the color, the silver, and the bling, and you can opt not to put the bling if you have a clear spray, because I put the bling to hide the white stuff in between, so you don't really need it so much. So thank you so much for watching, and see you on into the next video. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. Thank you.